I did my love affair with Nintendo recently, and the Mario Brothers, was a little plumber, was a little rapscallions, and I've been playing a lot of Mario Galaxy on Wii, and I've only got like 18 stars left before I'm done, so this is it's nice that this is coming out really quick, because then I can just, instead of having to play some RPG for like 3 months to finish or something, I can just move on into a new Mario's game, and it looks like another kind of 2D kind of rehash like they did with Mega Man 9, except it's Mario this time, and it looks pretty neat. Like the graphics are much better, and like I said, it's a 2D, like a side-scroller type thing. But I saw a little thing where Mario was standing on Luigi, and Luigi was like holding him up with his hands, like, oh, team mode, you can play at the same time, and so like having to wait, like cooperation and shit. I was like, oh, fuck yeah, that's really neat, Nintendo. I can't wait to play this. And then the new enemies, like I saw a little thing blowing smoke or something, with a little thing on the platform, like Mario had to do it. Like he still got his twirl power of the little star twirl he got from those annoying Lumas. Well, those Lumas they really chapped my ass. But anyway, I hope there's not all those horrible purple comet levels where you have to get like 100 coins and be meticulous. And I was like, oh, the worst was this Gusty Galaxy in Mario Galaxy. It was the Gusty Sand, and you had to go get them, and I had the quicksand everywhere. Like, I remember I got to all 100, and the star was unleashed, and I was just moseying my way back, and I fell, and I died. And I was like, what the fuck? And I was like, I was so angry. But yeah, this game looks really neat, so thanks for posting, and I look forward to further reviews on this game and stuff. Looks